Okay, so we are finding our materials for our project. So this is our journey by buying some components for our projects. So we have been walking through along the street to the convenience store. So this is our project. And then we try our project by doing some tests on by trying on the functions. So this is our group discussion. So we completing our postering by finishing them, and we do some discussion on referring what's our we want to present. So this is our participant. So there is our visitors for our group. So this is our final testing for our project. So we have successfully tested the material. So this is our group presentation. There's a lot of people comes and interact with our project. So we explain some kind of terms that we have by so we explain our drawing and our poster based on our research. So there's no projects that successfully explained to our members and
Tapi untuk ni art dengan ini art dia tu green if green kan dia tidak dan dia keluarkan sound kalau so sound dia
so that is the end for our presentation. So
dia akan buzzer
positive feedback for our group. So this our group member and some kind of selfies and we went. So that's all from us. Thank you.